Now our question is, construct a tangent to a circle. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation. Now we will do this question. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 centimeter. Now first of all, we will draw a circle with radius 4 centimeter. For that we will open our compass equal to 4 centimeter. This is 4 centimeter opened compass. We will draw a circle with radius 4 centimeter. This is the center. Here is the center O of the circle C1. Say this circle is C1. Now next part of this question is, from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 centimeter, means with the same center we have to draw another circle with radius 6 centimeter. Then we will open our compass for 6 centimeter and we will draw a circle from the same center O with radius 6 centimeter. This circle is C2. And measure. Now we are to draw the tangent from a point on the concentric circle. Construct a tangent to a circle of radius. We are to draw from a point on the circle with radius 6 centimeter. This C2. We are to draw a tangent from a point on circle C2 to a circle C1. Now we have taken a point. Say this point is P on C2. Now we will join OP. OP is the radius of the circle C2. Means it will be 6 centimeter. Now we will take the perpendicular bisector of OP. We will open the compass more than the half of OP and we will draw two arcs intersecting each other on the upper side of OP and on the lower side of OP. These are the points where these two arcs are intersecting. Now we will join these 2 points. Here this point M is the midpoint of OP. Now we will take the radius MO or MP. This will be the same and we will draw a circle intersecting the circle with radius 4 centimeter. Now this circle is intersecting the circle with radius 4 centimeter at these 2 points. These points are named as Q and R. Now we'll join these points with P. These are the required tangents. QP and RP are the required tangents. Now these are the tangents to the circle with radius 4 cm. This is the radius of this circle and it is 4 cm. This OR is also 4 cm. Now if I want to calculate the value of QP, then I can use Pythagoras theorem, because this angle between the radius and the tangent is always of 90 degree. And this OP is the radius of the outer circle C1. It is 6 cm. Now QP square is equal to OP square minus OQ square. OP square minus OQ square, because OP is the hypotenuse of the triangle. Now OP is, it is 6 square minus 4 square. 36 minus 16. It is 20. Then QP is equal to square root of 20. It is 4.47 centimeter. Now if I measure it directly, it is 4.47 centimeter. See, nearly about to 4.5. It is nearly about to 4.5 centimeter. Now this was the question number 2 of exercise 11.2 chapter 11.